Thank you for joining us for another educational mortgage podcast, brought to you by Mortgage Mythbusters Canada. Is your mortgage coming up for renewal? To help those facing an upcoming mortgage renewal, and to help you stay organized and increase your understanding of the process, we will be reviewing our residential mortgage renewal checklist. Now, let's begin with 3 to 4 months prior to renewal. You'll want to mark your renewal date on your calendar. Find your mortgage term end date and set a reminder at least 120 days in advance. Also, check your current mortgage details, including your current interest rate, your remaining balance, your payment frequency, your prepayment privileges, and if you are considering refinancing before the term ends, if there's any penalty for breaking your mortgage early. As well, realistically assess your financial situation. For example, has your income or credit score or debt level changed? And are your financial goals the same as before? Do you want to pay down your mortgage faster now? Do you want to increase or decrease your mortgage payments? Or are you considering moving? And then, 2 to 3 months before renewal, contact your current lender and ask what they're offering and whether it's their best rate. Don't accept their first offer without challenging them. It is in your best interest to compare rates from other lenders, including using mortgage comparison websites, and perhaps, in addition, even consider consulting a mortgage broker to understand all of your options. You might also want to consider your fixed rate versus variable rate mortgage options, mortgage term length and mortgage amortization period. Once you have done your research, decide if you want to stay with your current lender, or switch to a new lender, and/or refinance. For example, do you want to borrow more or less? Do you want to consolidate debt, or change the amortization period? And then, 1 month before renewal, if you are switching or refinancing, gather your documents including proof of income, an employment letter, government ID, mortgage statements, and a property tax statement. Submit your application, and do this early, to allow time for approval and closing. As your renewal date approaches, you will want to read the terms of your mortgage renewal very carefully, paying special attention to the interest rate, understand any applicable penalties, prepayment options, and portability options. If acceptable to you, sign your mortgage agreement. Also, to stay organized, set up payment reminders for yourself and set up or adjust automatic payments if needed. We wish you all the best with your mortgage renewal. If you have any additional mortgage renewal questions, or require assistance or support, please use the email listed in the description below. To stay up to date with the latest mortgage news, financial literacy tips, and ongoing educational content, we invite you to like and subscribe to the channel. This video is intended for Canadian residents only. The information provided in this video is for general informational purposes and should not be considered or construed as financial or legal advice. Consult a qualified mortgage professional or financial advisor before making any decisions related to mortgages or home financing. Any reliance you place on the information provided is strictly at your own risk. Thank you for listening.